talking about.
Why are you guys camping? Why the fuck are you guys camping?
Sucks my phone.
Man, I can't even fucking focus, dude. Oh my god, man. This is not fucking fair. Everybody's camping a fucking spot, dude. How the fuck am I supposed to get killed? Dude, and then look at that, man. Fuck!
I'm fucking shooting you, man. I don't have a camera. Don't worry.
I'm pissed off, man.
My phone's like almost dead, otherwise I would have recorded all that.
The battle is lost, but the war has just begun.
No words? Here's your lighter, by the way. Hey, would you leave me alone right now? That was such a race. He closed his door. He closed his door. What did he do? He closed his door. What did he do? Oh my god, he closed his fucking door on us. That's the daily fucking series right there. Jason's a little bit better rage than his first one. Let's get more hits.